Alright, these are the other elevators here at Sikara, Distrito Urbano in Monterrey, Mexico. These are also brilliant, but they are with the center door. So here we got the cab view, and we're gonna go up to 3. Door close button works. I think this is the only elevator working since the left car isn't currently. Here at 3, button goes out. I like how the door open button automatically lights up, and as you can see here on the top floor, some shops are still yet to be made. On this side, we're gonna go down to the parking level 5. And we're gonna see if we can try to get the left car. Here at parking level 5, which is still in construction. I like how the indicator blinks. And this garage is still in construction. So it's still dark in there. We're gonna go up to PD and we're gonna try to get the other car. Meanwhile, let's get a cab view. Such a nice, brilliant elevator. And right there's Big Brother. Here are your fixers on both sides and the indicators. And here's your floor guide, part you want to read. Here right back at PB. I'm gonna send this one away so it can catch the left one. I don't want to get the janitor on picture. If it was that one, let's try calling the left one. I'm gonna start off by going up. Here's this one. And here's your view of the mall. And same cab. Go up 3. Door close button works. Here we go up. And you can look through here. Here on the 3rd floor. S5. Or actually, how about we get a view outside from the top? Meanwhile, let's do a cab view. Just your nice, brilliant elevator. Here are your fixtures on both sides. And right here is your floor guide. And look in the mirror. Hey, and up there is Big Brother. So, right here's your fire alarm. There's your fire alarm, and right here's the pole station. And it's a cloudy day here in Cumbres. So yep, let's take a look over here. So there's the plaza right there. Here are some shops that are about to be made. As you can see, it's currently empty. And here's the fire hydrant. And you just break it in case of an emergency. Look how empty it is. And right there is the Mountain Mitras. And right there is the Park Point Plaza, and over there is the mountain in Cerro de la Silla. And there's many shops that are still yet to be made. And on top is the apartment, which the elevators to the apartments are still yet being installed. Or no, they're about to be installed. So right there's your MPE. And somewhere, and right there's Pizza, where one time we filmed the ThyssenKrupp elevator. So we're gonna go back down now. Call this one. And we're getting the right one again. So yeah, right here are the apartments, which is yet to be made. And right there is the Elite Cinemas that be sure to check that tour out. So here we got the left car again. And we're gonna go down to the PB and we're gonna end it there. Let's get one last cab view. Again, your nice, brilliant elevator. Here are your buttons on both sides and the indicators. And here I'm back at the main floor. Watch the door open button light up. Cool as that. And right there's the emergency phone and the alarm bell. So there you have it now. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.